Hey guys, so I want to show you our hose. So the brand of this hose is 0G, and what's cool about it is it's a non-kinking hose. So you know, most hoses are rubber. This is like I'm not even sure what kind of material this is. It's like woven. It almost feels like a type of cloth or something, but it doesn't kink. So that's rad. And what else is cool is that when you turn it out, it's also super lightweight. Rubber hoses can get heavy. This is like so much lighter than that. I apologize for the sound. It's a little windy out here, but you can see now it's filled up. I'll show you, I'll spray it real quick. But you can see how it's like thick here, like a full circle. But then when I turn it off, what happens is that, let me drain all the water out of it, but I want you to see the material. So, okay, this is gonna start shrinking, and it turns into just like it's like you can like collapse it. You can like push it down now. So it makes it super easy to roll up. We have this little hose thing here. But dude, though, it's easy to wrap. Whereas hose, sometimes like you'll try to wrap it one way, but it wants to go the other way. You don't have that problem with this. And so this 0G, I love this connector too. It's just like so sturdy and big. So if you're in the market for a new hose, this is definitely one you might want to consider.